Congratulations, you have just purchased Structure and Style for Students, Year 2, Level A. My name is Julie Walker, and I'm going to help you unbox your course. The first thing you'll see right on top is what we call the What's in the Box flyer. This explains a lot of what I'm about to walk you through right now. Also is the activation card, the Forever Streaming activation card. You will need to register your product so that your student has access to their videos. Or perhaps you bought the DVDs. So this is how you get your videos if you did the Forever Streaming. This is how you get your video if you bought the DVDs. Then what you have is your student binder, and packaged in here is both your teacher's manual and your student packet. Student packet, teacher's manual, and we're going to take just a minute or two now to put your student binder together. Pull the pages out of the packet, open up your binder, and drop these all in the back of your binder. Then you take the first few pages. Now this is explained to you on page 5 of both the teacher's manual and the student pages. You'll take those first few pages and drop them at the front of your notebook. And that's it. Your student binder's all set up, and they are ready to start learning. Structure and Style for Students, Year 2, Level A. We know you'll enjoy it. We guarantee it.